Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. After that you click on the search button, then click on it, then enter the model number H110M-DS2V and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Then click on this model number H110M-DS2V. Then click the model number of motherboard. Click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 7, 8.1. So all the installations process same. Select first audio driver, slow down. So guys, download this one. Otherwise you can download latest one. But this is heavy size and totally A to Z driver in this. And this is working all. And just click to download. This is download icon. You just click to download. After that we can start downloading. Then chipset. Slow down. Same Intel INF installer. Click to download. Then LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver means internet driver, and this is icon. When you click to here you can download driver and VGA driver, Intel VGA driver. You just click to download. You can see where you can see start downloading. Wait few seconds, it will complete, then I show you how to install. After that you can click on this icon. It will open automatic download folder where it is downloading the driver. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it. Otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.